Okay, you guys, so the things I'm going to be using in this video to get these soft locks are going to be Shine and Jam for my braids. The lock that I'm using is the new lock in 36 inches in the color M27 Gold. This is what that package looks like. And then to wrap around my soft lock, I'm going to be using Cuban Twist Hair by Mayde in the color T27. On top of that, you'll need a crochet hook. You'll need, well, this is optional, nail glue or got2b freeze spray. And then some edge control, of course. So, as you see, I did most of my hair, but I started by braiding all of my hair first. So I just braided them in little plaits and left the ends out a little bit because it's not, you don't have to go all the way down. It's not necessary. So you're going to begin by taking your lock and your braid, kind of untwist the top. It's kind of hard to do with nails, but just do your best. Untwist the lock and you'll have the loop. Put your finger in the loop. Take your crochet hook underneath. Lock the ring onto the crochet hook. And then pull it through. Open up the loop a little bit. Take your braid and bring it through the loop. And then tighten. So this is what you should have. I'm gonna take one strand of the Cuban twist hair and then split it into two. I'm going to take one of the two strands that I split and I'm going to start wrapping the hair around so that it covers up my braid. So I'm going to start at the top. Wrap it a few times at the base of your lock. I'm gonna wrap it about 3 or 4 times. And then you can just start wrapping it down your braid. Just wrap all the way until you get to the end of your hair. See, and with the Cuban twist hair, it gives kind of more of a rough look. So I think that the next time that I do this, I'm gonna use passion twist hair, like water wave hair, because I know this hairstyle is supposed to be a little messy, but I want more of like a structurized mess, basically. So I'm definitely going to use passion twist hair next time. I think I'll like that better. But I had already started with this and this is what I bought, so I'm just gonna wear it like this for the time being. But just keep wrapping until you get, it doesn't have to be neat. My hair kind of blends in with both this hair and this lock. So, you can't really tell on that it's not like 100% neat or perfect, the wrapping part. So just keep wrapping and keep wrapping. Until you get to the end. And this is a very long soft lock, y'all. Like these soft locks come in different lengths. I wanted the 24-inch, but they didn't have the 24 inches in the color that I wanted, so I just went with 36, and they're very, very, very long. But the good thing is they come already extended, so it's like less work for you. Just keep wrapping, keep wrapping. Where's my nail glue? Oh, it's right there. Keep wrapping. And the nail glue is really optional. Like the hair will stay by itself if you just keep twisting and keep twisting. But I wanted the extra security, so I'm gonna add the nail glue. So I got to the end of my braid. Now I'm gonna wrap past the braid just to use all of the hair. You don't have to do that, you can cut it, but I'm just gonna wrap. And I'm gonna just break this little knot at the end, so I'm just break that piece off. So we're at the end. I'm just gonna take a little nail glue, put it right on the twist or on the lock. Just a little dot. Wrap the ends of your lock into that nail glue, and then palm roll. And then you just have your lock. I'm gonna show you this one more time.